is with great pleasure and immense pride that we welcome you all to the official launching ceremony of this important regional TADAT workshop here in our island, the Republic of Mauritius. We are deeply honored to host such a distinguished gathering of tax experts who have come together from across the region to share knowledge and strengthen tax administration. A special and warm welcome to the Honorable Junior Minister Damri, whose presence confers immense significance to this event and reflects the strong commitment of the government towards advancing sound tax administration and fostering regional cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Mauritius Revenue Authority enjoys a strong partnership with the IMF. Our collaboration is marked by shared dedication to strengthening revenue mobilization, improving transparency, and adopting international best practices. The IMF support through the technical assistance and capacity building initiatives has been critical to our progress and has served as a model of effective partnership in the region. I want to seize the opportunity today to extend our sincere gratitude to the IMF for its ongoing guidance, technical support, and in bringing this workshop to fruition. This workshop represents a milestone in that partnership, focusing on the TADAT. Indeed, the TADAT provides a comprehensive framework for assessing performance of tax administration across multiple dimensions, enabling countries to pinpoint their strengths and opportunities for reform. The knowledge and insight generated through this tool have empowered numerous countries to enhance their tax system and promote equitable and efficient tax collection. The presence of delegates from 22 countries here today highlights the importance of regional cooperation. By coming together in this forum, we learn from each other's experience, share challenges and successes, and build a stronger network of professionals committed to advancing tax administration. This collective endeavor is crucial as we confront shared challenges. Over the next 4 days, we encourage all participants to actively engage, exchange ideas, and build lasting partnership. Once again, I welcome you all to Mauritius. We are honored to host and look forward to a productive, insightful, and successful workshop. Together, let us reaffirm our commitment to enhancing tax administration, an essential pillar in driving economic growth and good governance throughout the region. I thank you all for your kind attention.